Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Touch ID is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you're going to make sure your finger and the home button are clean and dry because water or dirt can stop Touch ID from reading properly. Next, you're going to go to settings. Here, scroll down and click on Touch ID and Passcode. Simply type down your passcode to access these settings. And you're going to make sure that the toggle buttons for iPhone Unlock and iTunes and App Store are toggled on. If these are toggled on, you can simply toggle them off and then toggle them on after a few seconds. And you can also try deleting your old fingerprint and add it again by tapping Add a Fingerprint. Also check if your screen protector or phone case is covering the home button area. If it still doesn't work, then you can restart your iPhone, and you can also go to settings over here, go to general, and you're going to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If Touch ID still fails after that, then it could be a hardware issue with the home button or the sensor. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.